Have you ever pondered why oil analysis is vital in our modern world? It's not just about the lubrication of machinery. Oil analysis plays a significant role across various industries and holds a special place in the scientific community. It's about understanding the composition, impurities, and potential for innovation. It's about knowing what's beneath the surface, the unseen that holds the power to transform. So, let's explore the depths of this fascinating field and dive into the 10 reasons why you should start conducting oil analysis today. Reason 1. Oil analysis aids in predicting potential equipment failures. It's a bit like a doctor diagnosing a disease before it becomes debilitating. You see, by monitoring the health of your oil, you can spot issues before they escalate, saving both time and resources. Moving on to reason 2, oil analysis helps extend the life of machinery. It's as if you found a fountain of youth for your machines. By understanding the state of your oil, you can better maintain your machinery, thereby prolonging its lifespan. Reason 3 is all about improving safety. When machines run smoothly, the risk of accidents and mishaps is significantly reduced. Oil analysis in this sense is a safety net for your operations. Next, we have reason 4. Reducing environmental impact. By optimizing oil usage, we are not only preserving our machines, but also our precious planet. It's a win-win situation. Reason 5 brings us to saving costs. Think of oil analysis as an investment. While there may be upfront costs, the long-term savings from avoiding equipment failure and unnecessary oil changes can be substantial. On to reason 6, oil analysis optimizes performance. It ensures that your machines are always performing at their peak, much like an athlete in top form. Reason 7 leads us to understanding wear patterns. Just as a detective deciphers clues, oil analysis can reveal patterns of wear and tear, helping you to address issues before they become serious problems. Reason 8 is diagnosing oil condition. Oil analysis is like a reporter, always ready to give you the latest scoop on your oil's health. Reason 9, we're talking about monitoring contamination. With oil analysis, you can keep a close eye on any unwanted substances that may sneak into your oil, ensuring it remains pure and effective. Finally, reason 10, oil analysis contributes to research and development. The data gathered can fuel innovation, ushering in new advancements and improvements in the field of machinery. These 10 reasons paint a clear picture of the necessity of oil analysis in our world. In a nutshell, oil analysis plays a crucial role across various aspects of our lives. It's a game changer, enhancing safety by predicting potential machinery failures, fostering cost efficiency through preventive maintenance, and championing environmental sustainability by reducing waste. Not to mention, it's a cornerstone in pushing the frontiers of scientific advancement. These 10 reasons we've explored together vividly illustrate its profound implications. The significance of oil analysis is undeniable, and understanding its importance is the first step towards a more sustainable and efficient future.